Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to solve this problem. The PC made supported TMP version 2 or this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. To solve this problem, follow this step. You need to download Windows 11 ISO. If you don't have Windows 11 ISO, I have a separate video for downloading Windows 11. You can find this video on the description. In this step, right click on Start, Disk Management. Here, come to Action, create VHD, browse. Here select C drive. Here create one folder. It is also VHD. Open this folder, VHD. Here write VHD. Save. Now in this step, select GB, right here 10. It means 10 gig is enough. Next, we create one drive. It is around 10 gig. Right click here, initialize disk. Okay, right click in this drive, new sample volume. Next. You can change this volume label. You can write any name you want. I want to write here UVHD. Any name you want. Next. Finish. We create this drive UVHD. Okay, I want to close it. In this step, you need to download Refuse. You can find a link of Refuse on the description, and also you can type on the Google refuse.ie. Download the standard one. Then double click on Refuse. Yes. In this step, Refuse will detect your drive. It was UVHD. Okay. Come to select, just select your ISO. My ISO is on desktop. Okay, open. Everything is okay. Just you can change this name if you want. I don't want. Click on Start. You can check all, and also if you don't want, you don't need to check all. I recommend to check all. Okay. This step will take a few moments. It is finished. Close it. If you come to File Explorer, this PC, open this drive, double click on Setup. Yes. It will take a few moments. Next, getting update. You don't need internet. Now with this method you can install without any error. If you install directly from ISO, you will get this error. With this method you don't get any error. Accept. Ready to install? Yes. Install. Your PC will restart several times. Is this the right country? Yes. Keyboard layout, US is okay. Yes. Escape. Here ask you to connect the internet, but we can bypass this step. Press Shift with F10. Then you will see the CMD page. Here type OOBE / bypass NRO, hit enter. Just a moment. Again, repeat this step. Yes, yes, skip. Now here is available. I don't have internet. Enter your username. Next, password, confirm it. Next, answer these 3 questions. Next, 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 again accept. Just a moment.